I gotta get all the bison hairs out of my pot. All right, for dinner tonight, I'm making a traditional Swiss camping food, fondue. Traditional fondue is pretty simple. You melt a bunch of shredded cheese over a low heat, you add a splash of white wine, and then you dip whatever you want in it, traditionally bread and potatoes and meat and stuff like that. Some cheeses work better than others. Fontina, Gouda, Gruyere are really good fondue cheeses. So I took a little bit of each and mixed it together. Now, I'm not much of a wine drinker, so I just use white vinegar or white wine vinegar, and you get the same results. These little hot tent stoves actually work really well for making fondue because they're a nice temperature. It is late and I am tired. I will see you guys in the morning. Nice.